Hi, welcome to Techie's Choice. Easy way to explore knowledge. By the by, subscribe to your choice, and click on the bell icon to stay updated. In this video, we will learn few basics of Python, using its print function. And now let's look into the code. At cell 1, toString value has been concatenated using plus symbol. At cell 2, using toPrint function, toSentence has been printed in a single line, separated by a white space at the end of first sentence. Similarly, in the next cell, we print toSentence in a line, separated by a full stop at the end of first sentence. At cell 4, using a single print function, we print toSeparateLine. At cell 5, we print toLine using toDefault print function. At cell 6, we print string value separated by not even a white space. At cell 7, we print string value separated by a hyphen symbol. At cell 8, we print string value separated by 4 white space. At cell 9, as we print only a single string value, the delimiter we passed to the function had no effect. At cell 10, we print an integer value using %d. At cell 11, we print an integer value as float, using %f. At cell 12, we print a string value using %s. At cell 13, we print a float value with only 3 digits after the decimal point using %.3f. At cell 14, we print string value sequentially 4 times using asterisk symbol. At cell 15, we perform few arithmetic operations. Here, a main similarities that we have to notice is both A equals A plus 1 and A plus equals 1. Both performs the same action. Then, we have two differences to take it into our consideration. First one is, single slash operator gives output value with decimal point, whereas double slash doesn't gives out any decimal point. And the second difference is, single asterisk operator used to perform Borel multiplication, whereas double asterisk operator is used to raise the power of n. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I remind you to kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, kindly like it, and leave your opinion in the comment box. We will meet in another video with another topic. Bye.